welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for all the comments and support recently. The channel's doing very well, so it's only a month old. Today we are replacing, yeah, there we go, the airbox, which is very exciting. So I've purchased a Ramair, I won't pick it all up, but a Ramair Induction kit, or cone filter and parts. And that will be replacing all of this. Not really much stuff on YouTube of the actual Ramair on the RS3s. So yeah, before any comments, you're not going to get any more power out of that. I'm not expecting more power. I just want a little bit more sound. If I get more power and more throttle response, then happy days. But it's just for more sound, really. Right, I'm going to show you what the stock airbox sounds like, and then we'll take that one off and put that on and show you what that sounds like as well. Okay, so the first part of this process is to take off the oil cover cap, which is just literally, that just pops off. And then I'm going to take the air vent duct off and pretty much all of this. And then I'll do that now. I'm not going to film those bits because that will be boring. But it's fairly simple. You've just got some torque screws and some flatheads around it, and then I'll show you the next bit. Okay, so as you can see, everything has been taken out of the car, all the gubbins. What you need to do next is the bottom of the airbox. There's these two rubber grommets. You need to take those out, which connect to the new airbox. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll show you the next part. Okay, so the next part, once you've installed the metal backing, you see it just goes back onto the original rubber grommets. You've then got to take the MAF sensor out of the old airbox. That is just two T25 screws by the looks of it, and it just pops off and then it slides into the new one. Okay, so we've now taken the MAF sensor off of the old airbox and we've popped it onto the new one. You can just see here with some supplied screws and bolts. All we've got to do now is just connect up this MAF sensor pipe and then the other pipe up to here, and then the filter, and then we're done. So the next part is to fit this rubber ring which goes around the pipe where the cone filter is going to fit. That just tightens on with some normal clamps like that. Cone filter goes onto there, and then we'll fit the air vent back on, and then it'll be done. Okay, so we've now finished the install. As you can see here, you do also get a little bit of rubber to go around the metal, just so you don't damage your floppy sound deadening. But that's it. Right, we're going to start it up and I'll show you how it sounds. Obviously, once you install something like this, you should always check that everything's tight and nothing's loose, there's no cracks anywhere. So I'm going to do that now, make sure it idles okay, and then we'll go for a drive. Right, that is it for this video. Hopefully you heard the new induction kit okay when we're actually driving and the camera lead is getting thrown about a bit, but hey ho. sounds pretty good. I don't know if it's like a placebo, but it does feel like a little bit more responsive on the throttle, and also it feels like it's a little bit more powerful maybe. It doesn't feel like it's as held back as it was, kind of, if that makes sense, but it might be a placebo. It might be the weather, because we've got nice dry weather and it's slightly cold air, so the turbo might be running well. I don't know, it could be a number of things. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you do like it, hit that subscribe button and the like button down below. It is free. You don't have to, but if you do, thanks very much. It helps out the channel a huge amount. And I'll see you in the next video.